So bye. This is the Falcam quick release strap base. So nindot ni siya gamiton. This is a tool I use for when I'm doing videos, and sometimes gamiton sa rin ako when I'm doing photos. I use this most of the times kung mag-travel ko, because again, this is my strap, and muna siya yung base. It's from Falcam. So how it works is kung naa kay F38 na base, pwede kay pick design na base. You just slide it in here and it locks it in place. So na naka strap. So coming from this handheld camera, video camera, or whatever, this handheld position, you can just slide this thing here. Like sliding mo diha, mo lock din sa likod. And the only way you can remove it is you just press these two buttons here and ma-release na siya. So it's very good, it's very handy. Kind of like this. As you can see, grabe na kayong gas-gas sa gabi ng paggamit ako. But I really love this thing. Now, I wanted to get another one just in case, because backup, and also I can use it with other camera. This is the new design. So, ang new design is there's only one quick release button. So when paggamit na ko, wala ko ganahi kay murag weird, but mas ganahan ko presit og duha. And I was wondering, ano lang gi-change nga nindot ang tong design sa una. So the way it works also, it's the same. You just press it here. And usa sad ka annoying thing nako about ani is that when I press it, may ana na siya, ma-release na ang katong imong camera, but usahay mo balik ni siya open. Ana ba? So dapat i-press gid mo maayo para mo retract na siya. And naglibog ko, why did they change the design na nindot naman tatong una? Why? So, after a few checking and everything, I realized na kung naka-engage ni siya, you just slide this one here. Slide this down. You see that? Slide this down. And di na siya mapislit. So, secure na kayo mong camera. So, that's how it is. But the original one, mas kanang comfortable mo ko sa pagaw. Excuse me. Yubo na. So, sa original one, was comfortable ko kasi duha mong pisliton. And I was wondering, okay naman tani siya kay, like, yeah, there's no problem with it. And I realized na if you press only one, like this, disengage siya. So I thought na dapat ang duha gid mong pisliton para ma-disengage. You can just press it with one and ma-disengage siya. So chances are, if you're really harsh with things, maigo ni siya sa side here, or mapislat sa mong body or maunsa, this is gonna engage this, and there's no way you can lock it. So kani siya, like, if you press only one, disengage, matangtang imong camera. It's a safety issue. The new one, although wakay ko ganahay sa iyong operation, watay ko maanad, is that once you slide this one there, there's no way you can press it. No other way you can remove it from this strap here. So, safe siya. I just feel like mas ganahan ako duha. It would have been better if they placed two yung sa slide, they can lock it, whatever. But yeah, the only way you can unlock it is just slide it back. And then, so yeah. I'm gonna try to get used to this, but yeah, I really love the first one. Problema, wala na ibaligya. So yeah, again, this is the Falcam quick release strap base. Not sponsored. I bought it with my own money, and I just want to show it to you guys. So yeah.